Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you HTC One A9s mobile phone. In this video, I'm gonna also tell you the retail price of HTC One A9s and the upcoming price also, expected price of the HTC One A9s mobile phone. It's give you the official warranty yes and not. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notifications of my video. So let's get start the video. So guys, here we have a HTC One A9s mobile detail specification, built-in quality of Android OS, V6.0 Marshmallow version, UI HTC Sense UI, dimensions 146.5 into 71.5 into 8 mm, weight 149.8 gram, SIM nano SIM, colors black, silver and gold color. They have three colors. So here we have a frequency 2G, 3G and 4G. They have three frequency SIM 1 GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. So here we have a processor CPU octa core 4 into 1.8 GHz Cortex A53 plus 4 into 1.0 GHz Cortex A53 chipset MediaTek MT6755 Helio P10 GPU T860MP2. Here we have our display technology Super LCD capacitive touchscreen 16 colors multi-touch size 5.0 inches resolution 720 into 1280 pixels 294 ppi pixel density protection Corning Gorilla Glass. Here we have the memory built-in 16 GB built-in 2 GB RAM 32 GB built-in 3 GB RAM card micro SD card sports up to 256 GB. Here we have the camera. The main camera 13 megapixel camera autofocus with LED flashlight. Features 2.2 28 mm 1.12 megapixel size geotagging touch focus face detection panorama HDR video 1080p. Front camera the front camera 5 megapixel camera. So here we have a connectivity WLAN, Bluetooth, GPS, radio, FM radio, USB, micro USB, V 2.0 and data GPRS 3G and 4G LTE. So here we have the features sensors, proximity campus fingerprint, audio, browser HTML5, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, push email, games, torch and extra. So here we have a battery capacity, lithium ion non-removable battery, 2300 mAh with the fast charging support, standby up to 432 hour, talk time up to 13 hour. So here we have a expected price and the upcoming price also retail price in Pakistan is they are not available just coming soon and the USD expected price and the upcoming price is they are not available just coming soon. Here we have the rating 5 stars based on 2 user reviews. So guys, hope you like this video. Make sure like and subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching this video.